Alright, so welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you're a long time subscriber, make sure you share the video up. I know a lot of persons might subscribe to the channel and then say, oh, we not get no notification. It's because when you subscribe, you're not hitting, there's a button there that says all. You have to hit that. Once you click that button that says all, then you will be notified when we upload video. Alright, but before we head on to the movie, we finally reached 200,000 subscribers. So we want to say thank you to everybody who stick and stay with Richard Brown Films. It only can get better from here. 200,000 subscribers, we plan to keep a party for December. So go and enjoy the movie.
If you never know, now you know. We not only do movies, we do any form of photo and videography service at Richard Brown Films. And if you have family members that can't attend your event, we will live stream it for you. So if you're in need of a professional video or photographer, reach out to us, man. Our number is on the screen, and you'll have a chance to meet some of your favorite actor and actresses at your event. So reach out to us, man, Richard Brown Films, and we can provide professional photo and videography service for you.
Hey sis, what's up? Long time I haven't seen you. What's going on? Acting like you don't know me because you haven't seen me for a while.
So why you never tell nobody say I come?
It's just a big surprise. Remember, Christmas is coming. I wanted to surprise everybody. How is everyone?
I just me alone there.
Okay, sorry about the funeral anyway. I couldn't turn up at that time because
Oh
my
yeah,
flight,
sorry.
yes, my flight was delayed.
Okay.
Yeah, but I'll get the date today and I wanted to surprise everybody. So, um,
So me
I
not
noticed,
understand. You say, oh, you just a visit.
no, I'm
Where?
here to stay. I'm back now. Remember Donald Trump win in America? And I don't want him to dip me before he dip me. I come by myself. So when I'm ready, I can go back again. But
So
I'm
which
here
one
to
you gonna
stay.
stay?
I need to stay here. Is anybody in the front room?
No, nobody in that front room.
So why didn't you rent it out?
Why me go rent it out?
Remember mom
This
died.
is a family house.
I
Why
know,
me go
but you
rent?
could rent it and get some money, but that's okay. Don't worry about it. Anyway, I need to stay in the front room because no one is in there, right?
You know someone next room the round us, alright?
I'm not here. I wasn't living here for a while. You
Okay,
have
I'm
to
gonna tell
tell
you say
me.
a three room, the front room, the middle room, and the back room. Why you want to stay in the front
I'm
room?
just coming down. You can't put me in the back. I need to stay at the front.
Oh,
I
but
just
you
came.
not say.
I just came. I just came from the airport. Don't you
Me
notice that I haven't
confused.
got my
This
suitcases?
alone, what happened to your suitcase?
Because listen, remember I told you my flight delay, then they send my suitcases and my all my luggage to another country. So all of them is in Puerto Rico. You understand? So they told me that they're gonna send it here. And I said, okay, no problem.
So we
So I'm
are,
gonna have to go back to Montego Bay whenever time they call me and tell me that I must come and pick them up.
well, at least you drive, right?
No,
Or you read?
the driver that I get to come and pick me up at the airport is tire puncture on the way, so I have to take a taxi. I couldn't wait on him.
Oh, but you have money, can rent and move.
Yeah, it's on my card, and I leave my card overseas. I'll get it and give you some money. Don't worry.
Your luggage miss, so your card left. You don't have nowhere to stay. I don't understand.
Okay, don't worry about it. I'm gonna get my luggage. I even I even bought something special for you. Yes, you're my youngest sister. Not because you get this big, that mean I don't remember you. Remember, I saw you on the phone. I saw your size, so I know your size. I get
Okay,
something
mommy,
very nice
thank
for
you.
you. Anyway, um, even though I've been here for a while, I don't like all the way. Look to me, it look like whosoever living here with you is not keeping the place in the
And
right
me
way.
alone live here and don't be rude.
No, I heard about a lot of people living in this house where my mom died and left.
And me alone there from moment that nobody no come here me and take care of
Well,
the place.
listen, I'm a part of the family. I'm your biggest sister, right? And now I come back. I came back to take over. I'm going to be in charge of this place. You understand? I need the place to be kept clean, nice and clean.
You leave here
Why?
from here how much? From here about 8 you left here? And you left here how long?
No, maybe I think 10. You was 10.
I was 8.
Oh,
You
that's
left
okay.
here from me at 8. Me at how much now? Me at 20.
Mhm.
And you feel like you can come take over from me?
No, listen. I'm your eldest sister. You're gonna have to listen to me.
Okay.
Look on the ground. So many leaves all
And
over the
that's
place.
okay. Me sit down under almond
So why
tree.
didn't you sweep it up?
Me sweep it. If you look clearly, you don't see no plastic, nothing like that upon the ground. I just leave.
Anyway, I came back now and I need the place to keep clean. I'm going inside. I'm gonna go inside and I need you to pick up all these leaves. Okay? Okay, sis, is there a key for the room? I just left my bag in there and I don't want you to go inside it. Okay? So,
Why you don't want me What?
is there a key for the room? I need a
Yes,
key.
there's a key for
Can
the
I have the
room.
key, please?
It's inside.
Okay, all right. You can close it for me, but don't go in my bag, okay? And sweep up this dirty place. I need to come back and see it nice and clean. I'm gonna check my cousin, Gigi. You understand? So just hang on until I come back. Gigi! Hey, cuz! Cuz!
Oh, God, this sound like a friend.
Hey, cuz, what's
Lord
up?
have mercy.
Long time, eh?
Johnny!
Hi, what's up?
Peace.
How are you?
Don't give me out. A long time no see you, more than a decade. Oh, God.
Oh, let me take my glasses off. Don't want you to break it. It's a Versace, you know? Just bought it from the neighboring store before I came. What's up? You know, I bring something for you, but I try it on my way.
You what?
I tried it on the way when I was coming, but
You
it's for
bring
you.
something for me
Yeah.
and you try it on.
Yeah, you're my cousin. You can take this, and I can give you this. I have money, you know. Don't worry about it. Take it.
So nobody seeing of them.
Yeah. So what? You're my cousin. Take them. I have more.
Say they have to put them on and I make
There
them.
is more where these came from. I can give you more too. What's up?
You not change one bit. I say it a long time. You mean to God say you care something for me. Look how much years you gone a foreign. And you have to put them on.
JJ, you need to say thank you. Don't talk about that. That was in the past. This is the present. At least I still bring something for you. Just be happy and take it. It's
You
a
wonder if I
gift.
should really take them.
It's a gift. You can have them. No problem. Take it. It's okay. We are family, right? Anyway, you know what I come to you about?
Anyway,
Um,
here's what some visit. Thank you, thanks.
are you still gonna say thank you?
Yes, we have
Okay,
some
you're
visit. Thanks. Some
welcome.
tell her
But
thanks.
I can hold them for you until I finish talk to you, if you don't mind. All right, forget
You
about
know,
that.
say from we are pick me a grow come and see your love views ahead.
Forget about it. Forget about it. Anyway, you know, I just came down from overseas because the election thing over there, oh my God, it's a mess. And I don't want Trump to deport me back to Jamaica. So I just came by myself, you know?
So you don't have your papers them.
Long time. What are you
So
talking
how
about,
Trump
girl?
gonna just deport you just like that?
No, they can't do that. I have
Hold
my
on.
papers.
Are the banana boat you did take across?
Anything
Did it run through the body?
anything happen, it's already done. But I have my papers. I'm here now. I came back to my country to live permanent. You know? Yeah. So I saw my sister down there. She's not keeping the place
Can you
clean.
hear good way you
My
say?
sister.
No, not you reach too far.
Oh,
You say you came back
yeah, I came
to
back
live here
permanent.
permanently.
Yes, not
So
temporary.
you did buy a salon and build a house?
No, I didn't, I'm not ready for that yet. As soon as I sort myself out here, then I'll get a piece of land to build a house.
So you go rent a house?
I can stay by my sister. Remember, my mom died and left that place, so I can stay there. I'm in the front room. My stuff is already there.
In the where?
In the front
So
room,
not
I'm
in where your
staying.
sister live?
No, she's in the back.
You
So,
put her around there since you come?
no, she was living in the back before I came. She
Oh.
was surprised when I came because I didn't call anyone to tell them that I was coming. I don't like the way she's keeping the place. The place is so nasty. There are leaves all over the place, dirty things in the kitchen. She threw down all of her dirty
So you
clothes.
never hear about this time I just come other day when name Raphael.
Oh,
So you
yeah.
don't expect to leave. So you come you couldn't carry one blow.
No, I didn't bring that, but I had my stuff. They already sent it to a different country by mistaken, I don't know, some mistake go on. I don't know what happened, but they said they mistakenly do that. Wrongfully happened somewhere down the line to another country when they're supposed to send it to this country. But I'll get them soon anyway. And I have more stuff in there that I can give to you. Yeah.
Your stuff.
You can sit down, and talk to me because you look a bit too tall. Like you grow more than me since I've left.
Well,
So what's going on? Jamaica look different.
Yes, Jamaica looks so different. The place is
The highway,
overpopulated and everything is going on fine here, girl.
I
Yeah.
almost lost
I
because
never
of
been
this
to
idiot.
America, but I can speak like how you were speaking, okay?
Yes, listen, I almost lost when I was coming down here because of the driver. He was supposed to come and pick me up at the airport and he didn't turn up. Tell me that some wheel puncher or
So who
something.
get you from the airport? You could call me. I could come and get you.
I didn't know that you have a car. Do you?
No,
I'll
but
get
I
a
can
cab.
borrow.
I did get a cab and I take me here.
Well, me I
So
cut out the foolishness now. Me not mock you. Pop to her give me no lie. Where you say I go on now?
I said I take a cab.
Mm-hmm.
That's a taxi. That's how we call it overseas. Cut long story short, the main reason why I'm here right now is to find out about my mom insurance, the life insurance thing, and she died. I need to know who have it, who
So
responsible for it.
Candy, you mean to tell me, say,
Hmm.
all these years you live, how many years, and you the America live your best life. You live here more than a decade, Candy. You know, so me always talk the truth. And all you come back, you're interested in a life insurance and dead left.
It's my mom insurance and she died. I'm
But
the
you never
elder.
used to take care of your mother, me I tell you the truth. Oh God, man.
You don't know that.
I know.
You're my
Me and
cousin
you,
and you live
yeah,
here.
you are my cousin, me and your best friend.
Anyway,
Yes, I mean, I gotta tell you the truth.
listen,
The truth are the truth. Not
I'm
even to
the
one put them in the
biggest
fear tell them.
one. I'm the eldest sister and I need everything right now.
But if you,
I need to take charge of
but
everything.
if you was in control for a long time, you would have everything, girl.
I
Don't
wasn't
do it.
here. That's the reason why. Now I came back. I need to take control of everything. Don't you understand that? You don't
No, me not
comprehend.
understand. Me
You
not
need to
comprehend.
understand. That's my youngest sister. I
Not
need to
comprehend
take
it.
charge of everything. I need to take control because I don't think she can manage.
So never share manage all along.
I don't know.
You
She
mean
don't,
you don't know?
I don't know. I don't know what's going on. That's the reason why I come to take over.
No, Candy, you do better than that. You can't come back and I try to take over everything. You come from friend, you should have your own place, you should have your own property, your own. Oh, make no stay so.
Listen,
Love quarrel and
cuz,
fight over there.
listen,
For this
JJ,
place, you come back for call on
no,
for the
listen
family.
what I'm saying. She's my youngest sister.
And
I am the eldest one. I supposed to be in charge. The reason why she was in charge is because I was not here. Now I'm back. I need to take over. You understand?
you know what happened, Candy? Honestly, I cannot help you. Can't help you. All your information, them what you need and want, I cannot help you. I honestly think you shouldn't be ashamed of yourself. May I tell you the truth? You come back one a problem with little Nikki. I make problem with Nikki for dead left. I want you to stay
Like
so.
seriously, JJ?
Yeah,
Like
seriously.
seriously?
Yes,
That's what
like
you have to say to me?
Same so.
Okay, listen. I can see that you're not with me and you're against me. So you see these gifts that I give to you?
Hold on, man.
You can just give it to me back.
You know, I never really want them.
I know.
Before.
That's the reason why I take them
Because I
back.
come for bribe me. You never care them for me.
No, that's okay.
Because
Can I have them back, please? Thank
girl,
you.
let me give you them up in your hand.
Okay, thank you very
Right
much.
this so.
Thank you. Let me
Look
see if
upon you too.
anything missing from it. Okay. Thank you very much. You're
No
not with me,
problem.
you're against me. Seems like you're one of them in the family who want to take over, but it cannot go like that. Bye.
Hey, I could have go so.
You go somewhere?
No, no, why?
Because me don't want them to talk to you. Why you answer me with attitude?
Because that's the way I talk.
With attitude all the time?
Do you feel offended when I talk to you?
Yes,
like that?
and that's why I want to talk to you.
Okay, well, I'm sorry about it. What do you have to say to me?
So me can't take the malicious behavior. When you come here, barely talk to me, and the few times when you talk to me, I be attitude. More we live good. Look how long I see you. You
I
have nothing to
understand.
say?
I understand. No problem. I'm still your big sister, and I'm
And I
here.
do respect that.
Thank you. That's the only thing you wanted to say to me?
But you still give my attitude.
All right.
You know, understand me, I say more we live good. I understand till you come back and you still think say me I want the little girl where you left when you go overseas and me don't know if you think say me not grow up or what. But I'm an adult and it's not okay if you talk to me certain way. However, me try my best not to disrespect you.
Okay, I forgive you. Because the first time when I came, you think that I'm your youngest sister, but I'm your eldest sister. And the way you spoke to me the other day, I didn't like it, but I forgive you. I'll forgive you. So give me a hug. I forgive you. I'll forgive you, okay? We can be sisters.
Okay. Also, if you need anything, you can always ask me in room the right this out. Okay?
What did you just say?
If you need anything, no assistant, you need me for do something, or if me going to town you want me get something for you, that's alright.
Come on, sis. I know you Jamaicans say, when you need something, you offer something. So I know you Jamaican guys love the begging thing, you know? But if you need something from me, you don't have to beg. I can give it to you, okay? You Jamaican guys need to stop this beggy thing.
How me for there, so I try preach peace and this away. This makes sense? This
No,
don't make
it's
no sense.
okay for us to talk together. We are sisters. I'm just saying.
What are you saying?
I'm just being realistic because these things happen in Jamaica. People from Jamaica beg too much.
From me come here, I ask you for anything?
But I don't know what you're on about
I
now.
don't want anything, just to tell us I want to be at peace and if
That's
me are going
okay.
in town, you want me get something, anything, you
That's
know what?
okay.
It's fine.
No, that's okay. We don't have to argue over this. I'm sorry if you get what I said, offended, and feel that I'm intimidating you. I am so sorry. We're still sisters, and I do love you. I'm sorry.
Listen, if you know want to live peacefully, that's fine. It's fine.
No, we're gonna be in peace in this place, of course. Why not? I don't mean anything serious.
Anyway, me I go up and do go get some stuff. You want me care about anything?
Mm, that's okay.
You sure?
Yes.
All
But
right.
thank you anyway.
All right.
Okay.
Hello. Can I speak to you a minute, please?
Yes, you can come inside.
Okay.
How can I help you?
I was just passing by and I was wondering if you know anywhere that's currently renting a room or any.
Oh, yes, I have some space available in the back.
It's me alone, so if you have a room available, that would be very nice.
Okay. Do you have kids?
No, not at the moment, no.
Are you working?
Yeah, I'm currently working.
Don't get me wrong, I just don't want to rent out my place
I understand.
to somebody that is not working. So when it's come to the time for you to pay my rent, we are going to be in some argument or something like that. Are you working?
I don't think that would be the issue. I don't think money is the issue, and I don't think it would ever be the issue. I was just wondering if the room is available.
Yes, it is.
Okay. But I would like to. Could I see it?
Yes, you can. Take your shoes off, please, and thank you.
Okay, no problem.
Mhm.
Oh,
This way.
it's pretty much okay. It's a lot of space. I think I can work with it. So when can I move in?
I didn't tell you the price for it.
What's the price?
You're gonna take one room, right?
Yeah, and a bathroom.
Okay, that's okay, but you have to pay me in US, and it's for 200 US. I can give you my account number, so you could send it straight to my phone, and you have to pay 1 month in the back. So at first, you're gonna pay me 400 US. 1 month in the back, in case anything damaged when you're gonna leave. If everything is okay when you're leaving, I can give you back the 1 month in the back rent. Okay?
Okay, as I said before, money is not the issue.
All right.
Money
So
won't be the
I
issue.
can
So
I have your
let's
phone, please?
give me the account number so I can set it in.
All right. Okay, here you go.
All right, thank you. So can I move in today?
Yes, you can.
Okay, I'm gonna get my stuff and I'll call you. Okay?
No problem.
All right.
And thanks for coming, right?
Okay. All right, Nikki.
To some extent, yeah. Yeah. You know some sister there, right?
Yes, girl, Miss her.
She come around here.
With our excitement.
What kind of excitement?
Lord have mercy, God. You say your sister come here with one piece of excitement. But cousin, Gigi.
Because she no chat pattern no more now.
Me say our language one time I think of England the girl did. Me say it's all like a acne. Acne. What language did you have? Acne.
English. I never knew you actually did. Or at least that's something.
So Nikki, you mean say all candy there friend, you don't know which part your sister there?
Because she come here, I go. Me no under. Me no. Alright.
She you say your friend her do?
No, that's why me no know nothing about her. She'll come and say she bring things to me and no me can't see it.
What she say?
Me tell her because
She said she bring things here. She girl come and say how she brings things to me, right? Me, you know, so me and her on the same size, car.
Right.
Yeah. She said she bring things to me, right? So, me see the girl too long hand. Nothing no day in her hand, her hand empty. And she said, you know, I bring something for you. I bring something for you, you know, cousin. But then she started strip off her jewelry off her hand. And I said, she just put them on. So me said, then somebody see it? She said, yes. So me said, then where you wear, you want to give it to me? I wear and left, you know. Even though I'm clothes, I wear and left. Me consider it wear and left. But
Right.
you don't know what say? The girl come on and ask me no. But no. She want know about Will. She want
That's a mommy will.
She want know about Will because I was her favorite cousin and I know everything and we are close, so she want to come find some information from me. So the girl, she did go on with herself. But me tell her, say girl I go on with herself, you know. And I say how she come to take over everything. So she want land title, she want will and she want life insurance. And I say, all the house, you know, keep the place clean and all these things. And how she say whole a leaf in a yard and me I said then Candy, you never hear about this time I pass through other day. Why you never come with one blower?
You're not easy at all. But I come for talk about because me did it and me meditate and me I say no sir, maybe me need somebody else opinion from what going because maybe me are overthinking.
She
Like
said she's the bigger one and you are the
That
smallest
is
one.
exactly what she said to me. She come, we don't look back on her back, no suitcase, nothing. She said her luggage get messed up and some other stuff. I know that more talk about. She come and she say,
she say her luggage gone to another country, but you know if we Jamaica wanted a country. So she say, girl look like she broke on paparazing.
what you think? Because me not understand. She talk about when she leave out, she left her bag in the room and I go make me know so she want the key because she don't want me going in her bag, something like that.
Want which key?
For the front room.
So hold on there. So I think I front room did enough.
No, no, you know me not gonna stay in this because in this moment did. So I not really miss the front room like that. When I tell me that I meant to rent it up, but you know, family yard, me say no. But she come and she said she come for take over and them look at it. This man, me get up and me say me go talk to her and reason with her and try to see if we can, you know, stay up on one level where everything, you know, with that peace and so. The woman I give me attitude. So me I say, why you give me attitude? Anyway, me tell her I say, make it stay. If she don't want peace, it's fine. Me go turn to her and say if she need anything, she must ask me. She go say me and be nice to her, come on and beg her or something.
Really? And she don't have nothing for gain.
Me can't say that.
Me I better be honest with you because me don't want you live bad with your sister because you're a sister, right?
Right.
But don't take nothing from her. The nicest you can be to her, try be nice to her. But me don't know how you're gonna manage her, you know? Because she come back here with vengeance in her heart. And then the hurtfulest thing about it, she never know nothing about her mother. And she did migrate from Jamaica to America. Now she migrate back. She say, the what? Where the president
Trump when I come
say,
back.
yes, and she come back. So me asked her, said, then if she don't have her paper, she said she's a citizen. But she not gonna stay over there because she don't know what is gonna take place over there. The feel say, she not right. I wonder if I deport her.
You think so?
Why anything is possible?
Well, that would kind of make sense.
Because
She not even drive. 12 years, she there friend for you know, and she not drive. No, she come back and mommy also come and tell me about she want key.
More than 1 decade, and then she had to about know how her stuff them gone to one next country.
Right.
It sounds something alright, something not add up. Something not add up. But anyway, your sister, I want it to want to live good because we not like live bad. We not like you live bad the situation, but why? She cannot come back to my yard, you know, you can't tell her, you know. You see, if you hear she a talking, and say she a come talk to me, tell her, say, me say, as far as the east is from the west, she fi stay far from me, because me not in a way she in a, you know. All when time a G, India go say, yeah, I still me name. If you hear it, say nothing, say, look here, Gigi say, she don't want your her yard. Here, yard that fi sleep on.
I know what to say. I don't know what to say, but me go grow. Because I didn't really this me come to talk to you about. Hopefully by me going to next house, to she go on.
I put nothing past her. But, as me say, try avoid the argument with her. Here,
Me try my best.
I mean, I really think I deport her because she look good still, she look good. Now take that from her.
Well, then say nothing judge a book by its cover.
Now take that from her, but her attitude not right at all, girl.
Later, me make you know of anything else happening.
But if you hear she a plan to come tell her, me say, me nah hide and hold on my mouth.
Alright.
Yeah. Take care, yeah?
Yeah.
Miss Candy.
Okay, you can come inside.
Okay. But only bring them stuff here because the moving truck will come with the rest of my stuff.
You have a seat. Okay, all right. It is nice having you back. So you can go inside. You already know your room. The key's in the room door.
But anyways, I just have one question. Are you sure this environment is friendly and, you know, like, no noise, no little argument, nothing, you can relax here? Cause,
It's okay.
alright, the truck will soon come with the rest of my stuff. I'll go settle in for now.
Okay, no problem.
Not to be rude or anything.
Hi.
My sister come too?
Oh, no, me rent the room on the back. Oh, yeah, one of the tenants too. Hi. I'm Xavier, and you?
What?
Me rent your sister, I guess, rent the room on the back, and me ask if you are one of the tenants too.
So, My sister make you go and stay.
What?
What do you mean rent? Like you PR money and you...
Me and PR $400 US in advance. Stay here.
How old are you?
I am 21.
And you are pay $400 US for yourself? You don't feel like you could have get
No, in advance. I'm paying $200 a month, but she want $400.
Oh.
That's all rent go. So what seems to be the problem? Because you seems a bit confused.
Oh, true. Me never did really expect you for moving so quick because less than 1 hour since me gone from the road. I don't know.
Oh, it was just a quick thing because it's been a while since I'm looking somewhere, so sister happened to accompany me to this place, so yeah.
Oh, so they look vacancy for a minute, no one thing.
Yeah.
Well, nice to meet you. A
Same.
star. Alright. So my sister inside, right?
Yeah, she's inside. Weird.
This morning I come to you as a younger sister. I'm ask you to live at peace, right?
What you talk about?
Because when you first come here, you mentioned about renting out the room and so forth. I'm say to you, say I don't want to rent it out because of family yard. And you know, if you respect mommy and all of that, we can't believe you rent out the house.
Every time you talk about respect, mommy, what is the problem? She not dead and gone already. She can come back. And me and you live here now. What you talk about? Me a pick war with you? Me a fight you?
No, but
Every time you
all
talk about peace, 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 peace. Me and I don't talk about that.
all of the things that my yard are going to result in a war.
How comes? You
Because-
are going to pick war?
Me not going to pick war with you.
So what is the problem?
Me have a question. Why you go to Gigi and tell her and ask her about insurance and will and them things? If mommy deal for will, you would hear about it. You didn't even have the decency to
You
show
know,
up
say
at the
like she tell.
funeral.
So me ask her about will. Me ask her about life insurance. Me never ask her about no will. And even if me did ask her about will, so I me never ask her about that. I swear, me ask her about life insurance. But true, me know say me and her did friend for a long time. Before me go away, years ago. That's the reason why I go to her. Then our cousin, she a part of her family. Only difference is because she have her house and you live there. So when we mother dead left. Now me come back, me think me have right about everything pertaining to we mother dead left and everything.
Okay. Mother really want you to explain to me what are your valid reason for you rent out the house since as you just come from overseas. You're not broke. Me can't see a reason why you rent the house. Also, you mentioned that we live together. If we live together, you see me every day. Why do you need to go out here way to go ask Gigi about insurance and will? If me the right here, so you could have asked me.
You act like a one stranger me go ask. Our cousin. When the person come to rent the place, you weren't there. That's the reason why I rent the girl the place. I don't know your number. You understand?
Me not
And no matter,
understand.
I don't know your phone number. That's the reason why I did not call you to tell you that someone came by asking about somewhere to rent. You
And you
understand
choose
me?
to rent the mommy
And I
room?
choose, mommy, if you know, mommy every minute. Did somebody can listen to me now? Me go in at this style where you want me going at. Listen to me. We ma dead and gone. She can't hear where they going from when I'm going now. She can't see. She don't exist no more. This is all about me and you. How we respond to you? So the only difference I said, I am older than you, so it better me take over because I'm me first born. You last born. Not because you did there and me gone overseas. That means that you feel in charge of everything. And I run me, I run you out. Me just say because me older than you, me I go take over. So what is the problem? That means I war me I look with you, me nah cuss you. Me ain't no malice. Me no care your name, go tell nobody say me I run out the girl and the this and the that and she whatever. Me just simple go, Gigi chat too much. Me just simple go to her and ask her for the life insurance. She's a wicked woman. She too
But
lie.
why? Why you need money
Because
so bad?
me,
Why?
Me want it.
Why?
I'm me supposed to rinse. Hey, listen to me now. I'm me supposed to responsible for it. So, you how much year old? 20. Look how long you there. Where you did there, though?
What do you mean by when me there? You know, come and see us well painted and everything and the place well kept. The only thing you come and say, look, leave them in a yard where you walk and tell people about me now. And as a matter of fact, where you go to Gigi instead of to her about me now keep place clean. Knowing till you come and see the place clean.
All right. Missy say you paint the place. So, you did live there for how long? I was not there. that means you have to take charge and do everything. No, me come. Me
Me
need to
not
take
try
over.
take charge and me not try go and like say me inherit nothing from them. When me dead left, you look at how say me a living and me appreciate it. You come from foreign, you're supposed to have money. You're not supposed to come here so.
So how it affect you, whether me have money or not? What you know about
It's
my
not
bank account?
affecting me, but yeah,
What you know about my bank account? You don't know nothing about my bank account because me already plan to buy you one car. And that you don't know.
Oh,
You just
yeah.
chat too much and love follow Gigi. Gigi chat too
You
much
plan
too.
to buy me a car,
So
why you
every-
walk?
So why me I want?
Why?
Because me left me account overseas. You don't know what me a chat?
Me not
Me
gonna,
card. The ATM machine sitting.
me not gonna run it down, you know. Me not gonna run
But
it
me I
down.
go get it because somebody I go send it to me. So what is your problem? You act like you don't want to respect me as your bigger sister. So what? Where you growing at Gigi for? So two we
Because
growing
me do
them.
you want to talk to her about this? Yeah, me I tell you the truth. Me actually do you want her opinion on this? Gigi are the only one I'm close to out of everybody else.
And I'm your biggest sister. Anything
But
you want to talk
to me,
about?
you don't want to live at peace with
Really?
me. You don't want to talk to me. Me even said to yourself, if you need nothing, if you make me know, you're going to say me want beg.
Okay. I am so sorry about the begging part, but because I know that Jamaican people love to beg, that's the reason
Jamaican
why
people, are you not Jamaican?
I am a Jamaican, of
So what
course.
that's supposed to
But
mean?
most of them love to beg, and I thought you was one of them. So I am so sorry about that part. Anyway, you should not, and you shouldn't, a matter of fact, go and speak to Gigi about me.
Oh, okay.
I am your eldest sister. Anything you want to talk about, you should have come to me and let the two of us discuss it. What is your problem?
No, it's fine, you know.
You and Gigi.
Yes, if
Look
you
on
make
you and
peace
Gigi.
to you will never get me mention nothing like this again. It's
But
fine.
at the end of the day, the money when me go get for the rent, it is going to benefit the both of us.
Oh, well, you're not say it.
Of
benefit
course,
who?
that's what I'm saying.
No,
the
no,
both of
no.
us.
You keep that because it look like you need the money. So you keep it and, you know, do your thing. Just do your thing. Because I'm not argue about this no
I
more.
need it.
Me not argue about a dead left.
From the first day I came, you look very hungry.
Big sister, it's fine.
And that's the reason why I rented out the place so I can feed you properly. Because you look like you eat a lot.
No.
Start deep, she get deep. Lord God.
Hello? Yeah. I've been calling you for a very long time. I've been in Jamaica for a while. I haven't seen you around. Where are you? Where you at now? Really? You're in Negro? On the beach road? Okay. So we can have a plan for later. We could go to Rick's Cafe. Long time I haven't been to those places, girl. Or Margaritaville. Maybe the place looks so different. It is? Yeah, I can see from the day I came. Okay, yeah, I do, girl. I bought something for you. But I don't have it with me right now. As soon as I get my luggage, yeah, my suitcases get misplaced. Yeah, they took them to another country. But I'm gonna get them soon. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna give it to you. Okay, bye. I'll talk to you soon, later. All right. Where is my stuff? Where is my stuff? Where is my stuff? I don't understand. Like, seriously? Somebody went into my bag and took my papers out? How the hell that happened? I'm just wondering if it's my sister do this. Who the hell? Let me double check. Oh my God. They're gonna know everything about me now. Damn. Shit.
So you have kids? You don't have no kids? Oh, I wish where you originally come from. I mean, enough for answer, you know, me just try to get to know you, because we live in the same house. It never make sense we walk past each other every day. Just good morning and that's it. You know? But it's fine though.
Oh, Jesus. Like, seriously, she went into my bag. Why didn't I took the paper out? Even to put it underneath my mattress? Oh, God. You know that girl is gonna be in serious trouble with me right now. Hello. Can you excuse me a little bit? Let me talk to my sister.
Oh wow.
You ask me what? You look guilty. You already know what. Why you going in my bag go take out my money? And you promise me say you're not go in my bag. Why? Why? Just tell me why, please. Why did you go into my bag and took out my money? That's what I'm asking.
Yeah, ask me, yeah, tell me some going in your bag.
You're guilty.
Guilty?
I know you did it.
Me guilty?
Yes.
Can you take your eyes to me, not you?
I don't have to see you. So what you want to say? Is it Tenant take it out? I know you did.
You was said that? We never said that. Who want me to out of your bag?
But it's only me, you, and the tenant live here. And I
Oh,
don't
you
think...
know say somebody going in your bag.
Because I miss my money.
And me look like more your money?
My mind told me that you took it out.
How much money you miss?
I can't recall. It's too much.
Oh boy.
You're laughing.
Yeah, look problem, you know. Yeah, look problem. I mean, I have time. I don't have time.
Can I get my money, please?
But don't have your money. When you not ask the tenant, since as you assume say she might take it out.
Me say, me want my money and that me say.
Me not have your money.
You not understand?
I can't help you. Me don't have
Because
your
it
money.
seems like when I said, can I get my money, please, you don't understand. Me need my money. Me want to give me my money. And don't make me have anything in here.
Me
You
don't have your
asked
money.
me
I'm
for-
not going in your
You
bag.
could have asked me for it.
Me tell you something broke? Me did tell you that? Me tell you something broke? Me tell you something broke?
You don't have to tell me see you're broke. From the first day I came, I can see broke on you. You're broke.
Well, me can't take from you because something wrong why you come to Jamaica. Something definitely wrong why you come here. Obviously you're in a
I
trouble.
was
So me
born
couldn't
and
thief
bred
from you
in
because me can't
Jamaica.
see say you go through
I
things.
was born and bred here. So anytime I want to leave and come back, I supposed to.
Nothing wrong with you coming here now, but you come here broke and I go like you have money. But me take money to you.
You
But I
don't
got
know
one look at
nothing
2 grand
about
you're
me.
missing. I got one look at 2 grand you're missing. Come on, tell you I won't take your money.
2 grand.
That can't do nothing for me.
Like seriously. You mean 2 grand in US or Jamaican?
You have 2 grand US? You have 2 grand
You
US?
need to check out my account.
I'm going to check out your account if you don't have card.
You need to check it out. As soon as I get my card here, you'll find out.
You know what want you do? Go and go ask your tenant, because you have a complete stranger in your house and come and accuse your sister if she take your money. So go and go ask your tenant if she take your money, because I not entertain this no more. You waste my time.
So you want me to accuse the tenant?
Not to say I'm interfering, but it seems like your sister have something.
Are you being inquisitive in my sister and my
Yeah,
hierarchies?
because I overheard everything because I was standing right there.
What's your problem? You're just a tenant That is my sister.
That's the thing. I am just a tenant. And when we came to you for rent the place, you tell me this is a nice environment. And
It is nice and you find it nice. So what is your problem?
But if you and your sister
need to
gonna
tell me.
continue to argue all the time and I'm here,
You want to go?
that's gonna irritate me.
You
Never
don't have to
some-
wait until I give you notice. You can leave.
Well, what seems to be the problem though?
You're still interested in my business and my sister. Listen, this is my sister. So it's the both of us business, not yours. And I think you're being inquisitive in other people's business.
Okay.
I don't think this concerns you, but anyway, I'll tell you about it. You see that sister that we may have? She's a thief. Do you understand what I'm saying? I said my sister is a thief. That's what I just said. She went into my bag and took out my money. You understand what I just say?
How much
She
money are
go
you
in on my
talking
bag and she thief my money. And I want it back. Me not have to disclose this between me and you, how much money she take out more than me just miss my money. You
about? You
understand?
sure you not lost it or something?
Do I look stupid to you?
I'm not saying
I
you're
leave it in my
stupid.
bag.
And
It
you're
was
sure
in my
it was in your
bag.
bag?
It was in my bag and she went in there and took it out. Why are you asking me so many questions about me and my sister?
Because you're not sure she took it, but you sure she took it. That doesn't.
Listen now. This thing is going too far. So if it's not my sister, what are you trying to say? That means I would say it's you because the money belongs to me and
Why
it's
would I
only
even go
me,
inside
you
of
and my
your
sister live in this place. So why is this going so far? And why are you
No, I'm just saying, why would you accuse her when you're not sure who took the money? I am not the one who took the money. Me not, why would I go inside of your bag? Me new here, me don't know nothing what happened here. We just get up every
That's
day
the
and
reason
see
why you
me and
should
your
shut your
sister
mouth
in
and
a
come out
fire.
of me and my sister business.
Me no business, you know. It's not a business because it's the on the road. Well, it's a business, you know, because business the on the road. So everybody going hear and see. But after all, that she took it then because me not going in your bag. Me feel say she for true.
Eh?
I she take the money.
And my sister take the money.
Mm-hmm.
You see her when she take it?
Me not say me I agree with you. Me never say she, but me I say after all that she.
But me not understand because you just told me that my sister did not took the money. I am accusing my sister. Now you come and hey,
Because
you know what?
it's alright. Me just a look at
Leave
the
it
things
alone.
and say she.
Left it right there, so
Who
make
know
it
say you
stay.
have bag in there so with money? Now your sister. Pick sense out of nonsense. Your sister one knows. Your sister one have a key for your room. Your sister one knows part
My
of
door
stuff.
is always open.
Well, me no know. Me no come out of my room unless a bathroom me go use. So I don't know.
Just leave it alone.
Me done cook ready for you food. You want me shirt out or not? Keep me shirt out and put it down into go cool.
Me no want nothing from you.
Why?
You understand that?
Why?
I don't need anything from you.
So why
I
you never tell
noticed
me that
from
one
the
miss?
day I came here, you want to take over. Now you want to come and poison me. Poison you want to poison me? Eh? So you plan to poison me? Because you want to get rid of me?
Every
Because you
day
want to
same
take over?
thing?
Every day same thing. Go see how long you and Gigi must plan to poison me. Because you and her cousin, you know. You look like me and now no want to take over a place. It's one wicked. Girl, no, you're not nothing with me. You see the food where you cook? Near me. And you see where you ain't go give Gigi or you turn around near me yourself. And me you want to get rid of?
So what a behavior you for? What a behavior? Why you never tell me say you don't want a nice
You
food
know
for
in
me?
nothing with me, so why me feel something with you? Where you can't offer me food for?
What you
Go
mean
give
by
Gigi.
what you mean by me not in a note with your friend? You come here, me and say I want to be at peace
Are
with
you
you.
and Gigi sit down and chat me? Go and go give her. That's why me not in nothing with you. Get that now.
Me and Gigi don't sit down and chat to you.
Me look like me hungry to you?
You eat from morning now. You from your wake
That's
up
none of
and
your
sit down out
business.
here.
Me not go dead for hungry. I will not die for hunger. You're bright. Go and eat your food that you prepare. I don't want any and I did
Alright.
not ask you for any.
You know if you ask
Don't
me we live
offer
in the
me
same
anything.
house.
We are
Why?
only sisters, but we are enemies because you want everything for yourself. You are unfair. So you want to come and get rid of me? You not get rid of me, girl. That me I tell you.
You're unbelievable.
Really?
Yeah,
As you wake, you go picture me. Before you go to your bed, you go see me. You will not get rid of me. Go poison yourself. You brighty? Who you want poison me?
Candy, I am not trying to
Don't
get...
call me name.
Just stop this, no stop. How long you gonna live like this?
Nikki? You hear me I say, Nikki? Eh? Don't call me name. Me not call for your name. You know, hear me I say, Nikki, none tall.
You feel like mommy at peace with we are arguing in our house?
She will never stay in peace until you give me everything that belongs to me. That me I tell you.
Candy, may I ask sister?
Don't call me name. You hear me I say, Nikki?
Okay, big sis. Even though we not grow up together, me not see why we live like this now. We have a said mother and a said father. A one blood run through we.
You just know?
So why your problem then?
You are my problem.
Why me
You
problem?
want Gigi because she involved in everything.
Alright, we not talk about Gigi.
You're
Gigi
lucky.
they over there.
Stop carrying my name to her.
Me not hearing. We are talk. Me tell her somebody you want to talk to her about what?
Why you never talk to me? Me and your blood sister. You never know before.
Alright, I apologize for that then.
Yes, you apologize. Now you want to come poison me. You're brighty.
But me tell her say me not walk and carry name to nobody. Me go to Gigi just the one time alone. Me not go back around there.
Why you never talk to me?
Because you gone and you just come randomly and me not
You know my number. You know my number.
I don't know your number. You pop up on me randomly one day and say you come to take over. But you know what? It's okay. I apologize for asking if you were hungry and checking up on you. Alright? Okay.
You think me an idiot?
Go and play out here. It's okay.
You think me no your
It's okay.
Oh, me no want hear nothing from you. Me no want hear nothing from you. You alright. You good at one place. You think me no hear the hypocrite in your voice?
Some after there, you know?
Yeah.
Some after there, because ain't no way so bitter.
Hello. Me no want nothing from you. Poison you want poison me off. Go along about your business. Go give your dirty man. Me no want nothing from you.
Serious.
Make your man near me or you turn around near me.
Broke for you know.
Oh, what you not say?
You see one serum something?
See what?
One little back like serum.
Push for me to stay and see it.
No, me just did a check for see me see it in here because I'm gonna see it in the bathroom.
And you choose to check in the room and have no reason for that now.
It could have been in
Like
here.
you never yet come in here. And you decide to check in here.
Me I check because my dear sister take it up.
Me know me ears. How long you in here?
Me just come in here.
You're not just coming here because when I walk in, my ears start my bang bag. And I know it's a candy tell me to shag up on the road.
Me just walk
You
in.
never see smoke without fire. Are you thief for money, not you?
Please not tell Candy.
See, actually thief for money, why
Me
you
not
would do
thief
that?
the money, me not thief it. Me tell
So
her
why
me
you
I
say me
look
not
for
tell
her.
her?
Because you feel like me I do something, you accuse me and me know you're going to tell her where you feel like.
Me not accuse you, me actually see you.
Well, you know, say, I not thief me thief it. Me did really need it, so me borrow it with the intention to put it back.
Yeah, yes, you smile from my face, you think me
Me
a
not
Jew.
smile.
That makes sense?
It
You take
does.
something we never give to you that is stealing.
Well, me not consider it as that. Me call it borrow.
Okay, so you put it back then.
Not as yet, but me soon put it back. Just please not tell her. Me have
Why?
something to tell you, but you have to promise me say you're not going to tell her.
Oh, so
Well,
you buy out the
Me
argument?
not buy you nothing.
What you have to tell me?
Your sister get deep. No, she not actually come back because she won't come back.
Oh, you know that?
Because I have the paper. Because I take it out of her bag.
So all in our bag you reach to?
Oh yes, when me get the 2,000. 2,000 dollars. 2,000 Jamaican, then your sister go and say for like 2,000 money. Anyways, when me go take out the 2,000, I see the paper, me I say,
You have the paper?
yeah, I have it in my room, I want to see it.
Go show me.
Wait here, so me I go find it. See the paper them there.
Well, I guess we already here.
Okay.
You're not worried about me telling her. This. You see this way though? Let me forget everything. You're not worried about her.
Sure.
Me, you're good. See? Me not catch y'all do know I me never see I me never come here either, right?
Alright.
Alright. Hi. No, 1 minute. You can sit down a little bit. So what me good? Oh, you still want vex up? Well, I'm just wondering if we could have talk. You know, every time I come to you and try to talk, we don't actually talk. But no, hopefully we can, have a conversation. Because this is important,
Go ahead, I'm listening.
So, this paper here, it say Candice Williams was deported. So I just wonder, like, you know anything about this? The paper, what paper say? You know anything about the paper?
Where did you get that
Oh, so you
paper
want to
from?
have conversation now? Okay.
I'm ready.
Where me get the paper from? You don't really have to worry about that. Just know some find it. You share them to you now.
Okay, but you denied that you went into my bag and stole my
You're
money.
not bother with me. You're not bother with me. As a matter of fact, I go tell you where I get this paper from. See, yes, Tenant, you see? She brought this to my attention, right? Because me catch her got your things there, you know. Catch her got your things there. And she give me this for me to say now. You understand?
So what if
No,
I'm a
listen.
damn deportee? So what? I'm not gonna be the first and I won't be the last. Trump have other people over there that he's going to deport back to Jamaica and other country. So
So Miss
why did you go into
Deportee,
my stuff? I'm talking about Tenant.
Miss
Tenant what?
Deportee, why you never just come and be yourself? Why you come and tell her go like a millionaire? You're a millionaire?
So what if I get deported? That mean I don't have any
Nothing
money?
wrong with it. You should have just come and say you're broke.
Why should
But
I
you
say broke and I'm not broke?
You are broke. You choose to come and fight over a look at dead leftovers. Why
It's
you
your
say
house?
so? I don't know.
It's
I don't know
our
about that.
house.
Yeah, I feel it.
Yes.
Nothing wrong if you're deportee, you know. But you come here going like you're a millionaire. Are you a millionaire?
How that concern you?
Big, you're not all up in my business. And I go on like say
You
you're
all
wrong
up in my
things.
business with
Me?
that stupid
Me, I'm in
tenant.
your business?
Yes, and listen, I'm gonna give her a notice. Give me this
Yeah,
damn
me take
paper.
a picture already.
Yes,
I
you take.
photocopy them. Me
So
and
what?
put them everywhere so
Is
everybody
it a
can
crime
know.
to get
It's
deported?
not a crime, but you come here going like you run things and you're rich. But your card left you so your bag get missed and this and that. No,
You
say you're
think you
broke.
can let me feel
2
small?
grand the girl says she thief for you. 2 grand. 2 grand you know you come out here talk about me thief 2 grand. 2 grand.
Anyway, since as you feel like you know my business more than me, don't worry. We'll talk about it.
No, worry my love. No.
And let me tell you something. You need to stay away from my mom's place. This is not yours. This is mine. Else, you're gonna have to leave as soon as possible. You hear me? You understand what me I say? You understand what me I say? Yes, so enough for you. I'm a mother dead left this and you
Your
want...
mother, all of a sudden your mother. All of a sudden
So,
your mother. You could have called and
if
check
me
up on
did
her.
kill my mama, you couldn't come.
When she did in the
Yes,
hospital,
our mother.
when
So,
she did in the hospital, they never call. When she come here, come there, they still never call. They didn't even show up at the funeral. But no, your mother. We understand.
so my money them when me used to send when me did just go.
Oh, you talk about like $100 and the $50.
So what? It better than none at all.
That is
And
true.
because me not
You
send
be
none for
ungrateful.
years now. What you feel like? If you
No,
go and
I'm not
disrespect me, eh? Well, you still want to come out of this at my place.
Okay.
That me I tell you.
You know the title there, right? You know it there? Yeah, you can take it up a few place. A year place. It's fine, Miss Dippy. All right, sister.
But the way it burn you, should me get deported. You go see what the deported do to you. Hello?
Why you just walk inside of my room like that?
Okay, this place belongs to you now. Mischief maker, listen to me now. Mischief maker.
I'm all ears.
You caused all the problem between me and my sister right now. Why did you go into my bag and take out my stuff, especially my important documents, and you also stole my money?
First of all,
You understand? You need to get out of my place.
hold it right here. First of all, this is not my place, but me I pay rent here. What is your reason for evoking me?
You're very mischievous.
Thank you.
You. And because you caused this problem between me and my sister, You need to get the hell out of my place.
And you cannot put me out, as I said before. And if you do go and put me out, the $400 we get in advance, me go want that back plus my 2 month rent.
You did not give me $400 in advance. You give me $200 for the first month and $200 for the month in the back. If you don't understand about rent,
Well,
you
it doesn't
understand?
matter. It doesn't matter. All I'm saying is you don't have a viable reason
I don't have
why
a
you want to
problem
put me
giving
out.
you back
So you
the
have to give
money
back my
in the
money.
back, but you need to get out of my place.
No, I'm not until I get my money.
Your 1 month is gonna up in 2 days' time, and I can give you back the money in the back that you give to me. Okay? You're very mischievous.
So $2,000 you go and suffer? 2,000 Jamaican like you not to buy 2 pound of rice and 1 chicken back.
Hey, girl, let me tell you something now, you know. Let me tell you something, because you're gone too far now.
Yeah, your
You
sister
turn
a
around and
thief.
thief me money, and when you come ask me, say, if $2,000 is nothing,
So why you never?
so you have right
So
to
what me
thief me
ask you
money?
say? What me ask you say is why you never tell your sister say I deep you get deep you come here act like Miss
That is not your business. Me
So
and
you
you not
want them come
related.
foreigner them?
My sister and me related. We are relative. I'm a sibling. I'm a everything. That is my sister. If you want keep it from her, that not have nothing to do to you. Say your fastness, cause me and you now are in a big problem. Plus my sister. Or you're no
Let me
and
tell you
fast
this.
and thief.
You have no problem with yourself, cause me not argue with you. All me I say.
Me can call
me
police
the-
for you for my money, you know.
Oh, you going?
You not have no right, you know.
Call police like I say me right, you know.
For thief my money.
Because you not
You
have
have
no
right for going.
reason for you put me out. You don't have no viable reason for you put me out.
Look here. Fix
Police are
up
gonna ask
your
you where
argument then.
proof
Because you
then.
thief me money before this.
Police are gonna ask you where is the
And
proof.
I put you out, make your thief me money. Your thief me
So
money and
where's the
it cause
proof?
this a problem. Like,
Where's
yes,
the
your thief me
proof?
money. I know my sister thief, you know, are you know?
Okay.
Are you thief me
Okay.
money? So
All I
you
can say you
are gonna
cannot
come
put me
out of
out,
my
and that's
place.
it. You
Okay.
can call
Alright?
the police, you can do
Alright,
whatever you
guess
want. You
what?
cannot put me out.
Me have something nice for you.
Well, give it to me, I like it right now.
Okay? Alright. Since as is your place, and you rent me and I know me did rent you, me I go promise you something.
You mean you promise me something? That sound like a threat, you know. Mine or you're threatening me, you know.
It's
Mine
not a
or
threat.
you're
It
threatening
is
me.
a promise. Just look out. Watch and you will see.
Oh, so you're threatening me now. Okay, all right, Miss Candy. Miss Deported. Poor she, broke foreigner.
Morning.
Wagwan.
Are you name Bossed, right?
Yeah, man.
We get the information say right after say you live and you're mostly around on the side there, so you know. When you sort out one matter for me, come here say you're good on anything there. You understand?
Where I want to deal with.
Alright. We have a mission and I want you to complete for me.
Mm.
So if you can complete that mission there for me, any money will you charge me.
You have money?
Where you say man? Of course, and if you don't have money, I can't come on anything. Eh?
See them right there? You say I have 300,000
Yeah, but
for 2 person. You say I
no,
6
yeah,
that.
no, man. I two coconut more on your boss for me. You understand me?
300,000.
For each or 300,000 for each of them.
Type of money you have.
Just charge me your money. It no matter what type of money me have. You don't go and know say you get your money. See? So me can line up it and send it to your account if you have any account. I just want you get rid of them two coconut there for me.
Now my thing, no, I don't deal with paper trail, you know. Cash me I deal with, yeah.
Don't worry about that, man.
400,000 cash. I take off something and fight.
But here now, no, business are business. Here what me want do you know. Me in a business, you know, I work, you know.
Let me see your object then.
Here now, no. You see them two coconut here? Want you ox them out properly for me, see? And you see when you ox them out,
Tell me for do the trash.
you see like how it dry, I want you burn it. You
Say
understand me?
Say no, man.
Look for the two coconut good.
See what I go on, man.
Alright.
Tell you something. I have a rear inside. See it? So I see two object, I see two object.
Alright, hear me now. What
You
you
hear
say
the game?
400?
Yeah, man.
So, you get half my money. And then when you're done with the work, you get the other half. Deal.
Do you match someone?
Alright, so I'll call somebody. I'll make a call and make the money come over. And I just
Do your
start
thing.
out. See?
Do your thing, man.
Alright, cool. Hello. How are you? Good, 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 good. I am fine, thank you. You remember the house that I was telling you about? Yeah, that same house that I told you about. Yeah. I didn't really make up my mind to sell that house, but I kind of make up my mind now. At that time, I didn't make up my mind fully, but definitely right now, I need to get rid of it because I'm gonna leave soon. Yeah, I already bought my ticket. Yeah, I'm going to a different country. Yeah, I was in America, but now I'm gonna leave to another country, so I'm trying to get rid of some stuff. Yeah, and the bed in it, you can get it for free. I can sell you the house now, definitely. Reason why I put it for 10,000 US, I know it's more expensive than that, is because I just want to sell out everything and get rid of it. Yeah, I'm gonna migrate. Yeah, I'm going to Canada. Uh-huh. So I take off 10,000 US and I'm giving you for 10. It was 20, but I changed my mind. Yeah. Now I made up my mind to do it. I can give you for 10,000 as I said before. But you don't have to give me everything at once. You can send me 5,000 US right now. Yeah, that's okay. Can you do that for me, please? Thank you. Gigi! Gigi! Hi, Gigi!
How would I?
Hi. How are you?
You never get my message.
What message? Don't worry about what you're going to say to me now. You know
So
what?
how you come in and just sit down
No,
take
just
over
just
like
listen. Give me a minute, please. I forgive you for what you have done the other day to me. How you spoke to me, I don't like it. You speak to me, oh my gosh, I was so ashamed, but I forgive you. Remember we're family? You know? I forgive you.
me speak to you?
Yeah, you speak to me in a manner that I did not like, but I forgive you.
Anyway, you deserve what you did get. You
That's why you're
forgive me.
talking to me still and we're cousin?
What your problem? What you come about now?
Anyway, can you give me a hug, please? Let's forget about...
Stop right there, so. I don't want no hug from you.
Why?
Because you can't tame me. Candy, me I come from foreign. And me I tell you the truth, you can't tame me.
But we were friends and we also cousins.
When Judas did betray Jesus, I did want hug him, give him one kiss. So me right now, me no want to hug from you because me not trust you. What your problem? What you come about?
Oh my God. You know, I'm planning to sell the house.
No, you can't sell it. So when you sell it, which part Nikki go live?
You could just give her a room at your place.
Where Nikki's gonna live?
I need to sell the house to get some money. I could give you a part of the money. Remember, we were friends from a long time, and plus, we're cousins.
Candy, a Bible say.
You don't like money?
Bible or people say, no, by the sweat of your brow you shall eat bread. You see? And he go back and say, man shall not live by bread alone.
So you don't think I work for it? I stayed in my mom's belly for 9 months. That's work? I didn't kill her. She's right here, and then she's sick and she going to the
Something wrong
grave.
with you. Me convince you that you're delusional or you have mental problems. Something wrong with you.
Listen.
When you say you're in your mother belly for 9 months,
Yeah.
and you work?
I work a lot. Can you see? Oh, I'm strong, and I came back now to take over. You know what?
You know, so I don't want to curse you.
Let's cut that story short.
I don't want to curse you.
No.
Candy.
We ain't gonna curse. We are
because
cousins.
Me honestly think right now, so you is a mistake of abortion. Although I don't believe in abortion, but you see you.
That's what you just said out of your mouth. I don't want to disrespect you, JJ.
You're broke. Me convince you're broke. Talk to me, Candy. Tell me what did I go on for your foreign?
Listen, the money that I have overseas, you never see it from the day you were born. So shut the hell up.
Really? And you come here ask a gravelicious?
Listen, I don't spend Jamaican. I have currencies at my home.
Hear what, Candy? Me not play no hypocrite role with you. Honestly. I am not gonna play any hypocrite role with you. As far as I am concerned, when it give Nikki one message for you, you see? And I don't know if you did get it. Or you get it and ignore it. Do not come back to me yard. Me did tell her to tell you. So me I tell you myself. So this time I hope you connect up in your upstairs. Do not come back to my yard. Because I see you. He's a mischief maker. He's a troublemaker. You're greedy. You're everything. You're a complete package.
This is the way you're treating me?
Me
As
not
your
treat you
cousin?
now. You deserve it. So
Why
you
are
know
you
what?
talking to me like this? What did I done to you?
Candy, get up and leave.
Did I done you any harm?
Candy, go on. Go on, Candy.
So we ain't family anymore. We ain't friends.
Listen, anything you want to say, put it. If you want to say me, you don't know.
I was planning to collect the rent money and come and give you
I
some.
don't want nothing from you. I don't want bad blessing take me.
You know what? You know what, Gigi?
Go on.
I believe that my sister took the money and give you some of it. Why are you taking up for my sister? Acting like it's the tenant took my money and you know it's my sister. So she bring it to you and the both of you guys spend it. Huh?
You ever hear about false accusation yet?
Accusation?
Are
you telling me that I'm accusing my sister and you?
Are you going to accuse
So
me?
why are you taking up for my sister? She's the one who go into my room all the time.
Don't know nothing at all about your sister. Your sister is not a thief. Nikki is not no thief.
You know what?
Are you a thief, you know?
Forget about this shit. I'm tired of talking to you about this.
And guess
I'm
what?
leaving. I ain't coming back to your
You see
place.
the number where you have for me? I ask you, please, girl, leave.
I ain't coming back to your place. No problem.
Lose my number. What's that?
Wagwan.
How are you doing, sir?
Make a look search too.
Me know say when me see you upon them a corner here, I know nothing nice I go on. So talk to me, man. I nobody tell me no lie. You know see you can't tell me lie. No. A far me here come from.
No, my thing come down now. Can't hold the bag of talking still, you see me?
What you mean you can't do with the bag of talking?
My thing not to let out like that, you see me? No me different and thing.
I know so anytime I see you and you go on with nothing you're not supposed to go on with me always talk to you tight. And now you can't hide nothing from me, you know. Nobody go on like you want to hide things from me, you know. Far where you come from, you know. Go to school together, you know. We're a schoolmate, we're classmates, sit down in a one bench.
Everything, man. Anyway, I know say 2 birds me get for knock still, you see me? Sure.
2 birds I get 4? 2 birds.
No, them 2 birds, yeah.
I know one of them. One of them are my cousin, man.
A cousin?
Yeah, me show you. The one here, my cousin.
Well, me don't get paid for mash them up, you know.
No, but said you can't do it. I'm a blood cousin of my auntie picnic. You can't do that, but said man. How far me here come from, you know? So tell me, how put out the hit pan her? How do it? How could that so wicked?
I run some research and me get for find out say her sister.
Who?
Me get rid of them, you see me? The sister.
Who?
Sister, man.
So you meet your sister? The girl there one wicked girl, a friend she did there now. She live a friend for years. More than 1 decade of her life. She got a friend go waste her time and waste out her days and come here and a stress out the little girl, you know. I want to take over everything like say. She don't work for her. The girl never used to take care of not even her mother, you know. She wicked, you know. Nothing she don't know about her mother and the little girl is so innocent. The little girl not even got road. She not trouble people. His sister wicked brethren.
You know say I try you still. I'm not to kill pitney and woman still in you see? I don't get the money in about me I swing wide, you hear that?
Swing wide make a girl go, man. A wicked girl that, man. You hear me say? Look what I'm good. You see, once a centipede will always be a centipede. You hear me I tell you? You understand what I mean?
Look at that.
And never give a centipede a second chance, man.
We link up, man.
You
I
hear
hear
me? I
that.
tell you, man.
Say a word doing now. Say no
Listen
more.
up.
Say no more. Yeah?
Yo, boss said,
Out
never
there.
give a centipede a second chance, here.
Out there.
Nikki, something.
What, no?
That one.
No. We are deal with it.
You know, so post office me come,
You
but
don't supposed to pick lock one lock today.
no, me never know say it locks so early. So it's a good thing me see you, me not for bother come round there.
So you want me come to you instead?
Girl, me can't tell you what me have to tell you right now, you not for bother come again.
Oh.
Cause me see you.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, look, cause then say bush have ears so me. I want nobody hear what me I tell you say. You know say, me save your life.
Save my life, I mean.
Cheese and peace. Nikki, me I beg you, please, zip up your mouth. You see what me about to tell you? Me no want hear it back, Nikki. You know say candy.
If I never bought candy, you should have known.
You want to hear or you don't want to hear?
I want to hear, man, but we just say if I never bought candy, something wrong.
You know say candy pay somebody to kill you. I want ball and I don't know how to ball.
What? What you mean?
So I'm paranoid. Candy pay somebody to kill you.
Where you get that from? Candy, my sister, and I not think she would have do that.
I ever tell a lie before? I ever lied to you before?
Well, no.
Me for you know me much years now. You're born come see me. And you me half grow you. Me ever lie to you before?
No.
Don't worry about which part me get it from. Cause me not tell you no lie. You don't have to know where me get it from, but me get it from the horse's mouth.
So how you tell me this and I say me not fi stay nothing? Me not have to ask her about it.
You idiot?
So me go just did it and I say nothing? What me
No,
supposed
you're
to?
not gonna do that. You're gonna take for yourself.
Gigi, me no know
You're gonna
how you
listen
go
to what me
tell.
tell you say now, and you're gonna take time, take for yourself. You hear me I tell you?
Me can't promise you that me not go say nothing to her.
Jesus have mercy, God. You see who is source where me get it from? I know why he's the source. You hear me tell you?
I can't believe she should have really do this.
Believe. They have a sense of believe, kill and believe, cure, but you have to believe. Alright? And don't make believe kill.
Me not feel good. I feel like heat and I feel hot. Me no.
You have all right to feel that way, but one thing me I tell you. Please, me I beg you. Me I beg you. Don't say nothing to Candy.
Me no how me go just did it and I say nothing to her. Oh.
The
Oh,
only thing you can say to her when you go home, you see? Just say, the love of money is the root of all evil. You hear me I tell you?
Me no know if me can promise you that, but me go lie down like you say. Thank you for telling.
So you really tell me say that if you can't promise me that?
Yeah, me no
Me no
know.
want no all those come to me down for me, please, me I beg you do. Nobody make me have no regrets, so me sorry me tell you. Only thing that I'm gonna lie down.
Alright,
You know
Gigi,
what
thank
do?
you for telling
Alright,
me.
listen to me. Pack your bag and cut. Cut. Go on. Pack your bag and cut.
You know, she's a wicked woman.
Why you
What
barge
me
into my
ever
room
do?
like this?
What me ever do?
Why did you barge into my
No,
room
what
like
me
this?
ever do?
What do you mean, what you ever do me? What
Why
you
you
ever do
try
me?
kill me? Yes, me hear about it and please don't pretend. But you just get everything out now cause people go start hear about this. Why you put one hit on my head? What me I talk to you?
Just take your phone off my bed. Take it up.
Me I talk to you. You don't hear me talk to you? Why you do
What
this?
you want?
Why? Over
What
the
you want?
house? Over the house?
What you want?
Me did tell you say you can't live here? Me did tell you say you no
What your
welcome?
problem?
You try to kill me. That's my problem. And me ear it back. It stink on the road.
You can prove that?
Yes, me can prove it. Just walk out the road. Just walk out there, you will hear it.
Excuse.
Me nah excuse why you do this to me.
You know why? Because Everything that you have, I was the one who's supposed
But
to
when me
get
have
it.
me close them, when me have.
Me
Cause
supposed
you
to
think
get
money
everything.
there, no money there. All that money used to bury mommy. There's no
Come
money.
to your life insurance.
It use every money, every money.
So-
There's no money. Everything where you see me with and me work and get them.
Oh, your name depend life insurance and my name not depend it.
Because you're gone all long and you have fed
That
for
not say
yourself.
you're still my mother and you are still my sister.
And that's okay.
But
If you
you
didn't come here and try to live in peace, you don't feel like say, everything gonna be alright. You just come here and decide say you want to take over everything.
Oh,
like you run
everything
away.
go okay if me even did come and talk smooth and nice to you when
Because
your
me
name already in
always want
everything.
We could have share.
You want to share with me?
Yes, because the only thing we want is peace. We want to live good. Look how long I say 12 years. And you choose to come.
You
choose violent over everything, no matter how much me try to love you, no matter how much me try to look out for you.
You don't show me no love at all. From me come at the place, you act like me and you are no nothing.
That is a
all
lie.
me a
That
tell us
is
say
a
me and your
lie.
sister and me's the biggest one me come to take over. No, you hurt till you catch her on a Gigi.
We can't
Who
talk
is
to you
you and who is
because
Gigi?
you're a narcissist.
Right now, me sorry say Gigi and my family. You two mix up. You and
just
Gigi
can't
chat too
relate
much.
to you, Didi.
And you and Gigi a fight against me. You know a two hypocrite family. As from today, me and no no. And me don't talk. And if you don't like it, bite it. You see a devil send you in here if you come pull up my bed? You torment? Eh? You see me in your room? You know, you come go like you want to cry now. Come out of my room. Go on out. Come out of my room, man.
Why you would have
Come out of my room. Come out of my room.
This was never that serious, you know. But you know what? It's fine. If I did if you want to take it, me go and leave. Because then I like me not have no money at all. I can find somewhere else. Where is my phone? I wish you well, you know. I wish you well, you know.
What said? Oh, me put you on a work, my youth, and you don't do it. You have to go give me back my money, you know. Right now, me want back my money. You can't take my money and when don't go on like I say you're no big hit man. You're coward. How you not deal with the matter for me, my youth?
You don't talk?
No, me can't don't talk. Me want back my money.
Yo, me do some research. I'm get to understand say your sister, you want a kid.
So what about that?
A nice little girl that, a trying girl. You pay me for kill your sister. And then I like say she do no problem. And I like, yo, me not even to kill woman. If I say me go kill a sister as a bad man. Me tell you this, I no call me card, you know. Cut your losses and go on, man. Come on 5 years. I come tell me, boy,
Yo,
I
me
want
not
back
left
money.
until me get my money. Me want my money from
I
you.
want back your money.
Of course, me want it back. You can't take my money and go on like I say you no eat man. You no eat man.
Go up on the work, you know.
You see, me no want you
Cut your
nothing from
losses
you.
and go on.
Cut which losses. If you don't give me back my money, me I go call the police.
So, you call police for me. So, I tell the police them say, you pay me for kids.
Me look like me a girl, not
you
you.
gonna be a complete. Where them say I do? You call police.
Of course. Because you come and go on like you eat man and collect people money. You can't do your job.
Stop talk up your mouth, Lord, man. Make me my neighbor them here, man. You come chat me. Where you feel it, man? Like, man,
People already know say it's only a fake it man.
I want
But
back your money.
Yeah, me want it back. I don't know why me come to you.
So fast, yes.
Nikki,
Oh, nothing.
my home not see a funeral.
Me tell you something, I'm not going.
Boy, girl, me I tell you the truth. You know myself, it painful. And the reason why it painful? Because of greed. Greed and wickedness cause her to lose her life.
Sometimes sit down and I wonder, we just can't believe that things reach so far. You know, she just pop up out of the blue one day and then everything just got downhill after that. Be arguments, be a fight. And even though with the argument fight, we just never think she hate me that much.
Yeah, honestly, me not think she hate you know. She hate herself. Because me not understand. How can you want to kill your own flesh and blood? Your sister, you know, one mother and one father for dead left. Something you not work for. Eh? Something when you don't work for.
Remember me going to her one day, me and say, hey, mother want to be, you know, live at peace and so. Because she's my older sister. I want to have as much respect as I can for her. And she just never want that. She said, I want big and all of them foolishness.
Me talk to her, but boy, me I tell you. Boy, me no know. Me no know which part she get for her heart from. But me sorry, say you never get a chance to forgive her, you know. Because see there, see in Bible and it say you must forgive in order to get forgiveness.
Before I give her in a book, I don't forget. I don't forget. And I just could have got the funeral and play hypocrite. Me and her not grow together. Me not have that type of love there. You understand? She go for 12 years, but me dey still see her as my sister. Me dey willing to work on one band, but she never want that. So I just could have got the funeral.
Me understand. Because she bitter for true. They have one little sense what I learn I will always remember. She'll bitter for true, but me go a funeral. Because when me hear say she dead, me couldn't come with two terms, but me get a closure now.
Even though me say me not ask about the funeral, what them say in the eulogy?
Girl, they give her high praises and say all sort of good things and nice things about her.
You see why me could have got the funeral? Because people in the community hear and know what going on, you know. And I be a good things them say about her. Which good she do when she come back? None. And majority of the people who go to funeral don't know her either. Because 12 years she gone for. That is the reason why I could go. Because I know what I just get up and say, liar. You understand?
God have mercy, me glad you never come. As time goes by, you will heal. And me think you need some counseling. So if you need counseling, just let me know here. And not think too hard about what happened. Answer?
And I something think about it in it, you know, crossed my mind one and two times. I'm kind of sad how things work out. But then, like me say, me never really know her. And she never want to create one band. So.
Only thing me have to say, no. May her soul rest in peace. Only
Right.
hope her soul find rest. And she can be at peace. Understand? So by the way, what happened to it tenant what Kennedy did have here?
Well, you know, so me have to let her go though because, you know, me never really glad for it in the place as I want and two she do some stealing. Cause the other day she thief some money from Candy and she think of me. She just still do a bag of things, yeah man. Even she define the deported paper them, you know. She define the paper them cause she da got you Candy things. So if she used to do them things, when me turn my back, she da do the same thing too. And like me say, me never glad for have nobody in that place.
Not true. Because it's only a thief. Search what they don't put on.
Right.
You understand? Just take it easy, girl. And you know, some of them just a stone throw away from you. So if you need me, either call me or you can come. Here?
Right.
Because my door is always open for you. You're always welcome. Alright? Alright, me go leave here. Alright, me just come for check on you. To see if you're alright. Because through me know say funeral and me never see a funeral. So, if anything, call me. Alright?
Okay.
You think she not tell me? You think she not tell me? She'll tell me how she give you a message. She give me, you know, give me because you're wicked.
Because me not try to stir up nothing the part then I come in.
Oh, the part then if you come in.
Yeah, the family they come.
Can you tell me something if you tell him? Because she say it look like she not tell me something if it say it to her.
Yeah, the family they come in.
Oh, me not fi tell her now. We have one expert for do.
No. It's a before. Wow, with your auntie, it's a before you find out so she get.
So you never even she tell me yesterday something if you say it to
Yeah,
her.
okay, no, come in.
Oh.
Let's see that come before you.
Oh.
Ready again?
You think me not hear the sarcasm in your dirty.
But if me
A dirty voice me go say. Which way say dirty voice? A dirty voice me go say.
Well, listen.
Right.
So you want to ask him, say, I mean, if I did say that last one, how escalate and reach us, you ask him, how reach us, so? You ask him that last one,
it
true.
was never this
Remember.
serious.
Why? You want any with him and say, why? I don't know what happened to your friend, God know. You come back bitter.
I call Mosina me.
Maybe too
call
much
this.
cold in
Yeah.
your head, man.
Yeah.
But as long as me there, I won't offer you anything to eat again. I'm so sorry. Alright? I'm sorry. Come Javi, go ahead. You know what? Tell me, you know what? I am so sorry. This I see it when she go off catch she.
Because when they I call too much, then don't need that for sure.
When she catch
JV and then to the deportee part.
Yeah. And that's simple,
Yeah.
Alright, so then that means say, no, you're can't say.
Argument.
Instead of you come here and show me love
Yeah,
and
look argument.
oh me I look
Me
argument.
spread up my bed. You see me in your room? You see me come in your room?
I want to say candy. Here we have a set here. You know what? I should have never hired somebody to kill it.
I should have do it myself.
You understand?
I don't even know say I want me to say that, but that did come in on my head.
So yeah, man, you ever say,
Never said somebody for
things and leave.
Peacefully.
Who will want to take over by yours? Big back say.
Because you don't want a war.
And then more you kind of break down, Jay. I said, you're my bigger sister, you should have protect me and love me. And I show you how to behave.
I don't really feel that I tell her but me don't know about the breakdown part still. Try.
And I know you can do it.
Okay.
I did left house round there, girl, a fight her little sister for you.
You get to your right point, it's a whole line.
Sit to her though, so we offer she services you can't because actually because I hear it I don't really you know something that's cool. Take out little
Woman, yeah.
I would reason but I'm gonna this
Don't smile, yeah?
You know, I do. No, in that Scotland time, you have know if you talk, I can remember saying my movie camera.
Ready?
Yeah.
Action.
I leave my card, I told you. Why are you acting like this? Like I'm a broker. If I do anything there. Wait name again. Yeah. No, sir.
Candy slap the one there. Lord Jesus.
I just come to make it up back with you and to talk to you about something.
No, that's not you have to take it. You can't tell the reason.
No man, but me just say coconut. How can I tell her say shoes? Me no man can say coconut. Yeah.
Ready?
Hold on. What you say again?
So yeah, I tell her say
I cash you down.
cash it out the paper trail.
Alright.
Ready?
Yeah.
Action.
So now she carry paper come give you. Me like what you say. Well, but you have views after all. Alright, so here we are. We'll take it from you, someone. Worry yourself. Thank you for telling me. And your secret safe with me, man. But you still have
You still have to tell me, sister, yeah.
Your secret safe with me, so you're good now. And then you walk back up. Alright, okay, guys. Alright, ready now, Jamaica? Watch out on this, Axe. Ready now, and action.
I know.
Hold it. When I tell him, say, me never thief it. Me borrow it with the intention
To put it back before she know what it is.
So I borrow it. No, then and then you say, then you can tell yourself when you take something that will never give to you, a thief or thief it. And me I go ensure say me tell Candy exactly what I want. Just say please, when I walk step into her, please don't tell Candy. Here.
Just wait until I get my card. But let's take it over see what a foolishness this is. Those
No. So ask him, what seems to be the problem?
Mm-hmm.
Ask him.
Me seems confused.
Yeah, what seems to be the problem?
you and Gigi.
Well,
It's
Gigi's
fine.
just your cousin.
How you want it to done, Jamie?
so yeah, that's about say it's
Yeah.
fine. You know what? Me not go if me not go argue with you. Yeah, since you are right out the case, right out the case. You don't even.
Do you?
Yeah, you don't even. Jerry, go in and come back out. Really?
Let's go again. Alright. Ready?
Yeah.
Which country they
Yeah, look over there. Go with camera, got a sharp camera. Yeah, hold on. Tell it to them. I don't understand either. It seems like it's just a string of bad luck. I don't understand. This seems like a string of bad luck. But anyway, I just want you to know that I am back now, and the place is going to run under order. And I need the yard.
Yeah.
So I want you to see what I'm doing up on the board.
Ready? Are you?
Ready.
Your luggage miss, your card miss, your take taxi come here. Me not understand what go on.
If you never know, now you know. We not only do movies, we do any form of photo and videography service at Richard Brown Films. And if you have family members that can't attend your event, we will live stream it for you. So if you're in need of a professional video or photographer, reach out to us, man. Our number is on the screen, and you'll have a chance to meet some of your favorite actor and actresses at your event. So reach out to us, man, Richard Brown Films, and we can provide professional photo and videography service for you.
You see the shirt already, right? Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. So, as we always say, if there are persons out there that want to improve them sexual experience, link up Dr. Jack. See the number up on his shirt. You know me, I say he has some male enhancement pills. At the end of the day, people might feel afraid and say, "Oh, me no need that, me no need that." It's not no Viagra. You know me, I say it's not a Viagra. It's a healthy product in terms of natural herbs and bushes them him use make the capsule them, and they are for enhancement. You don't know, you can't expect say if you are 50 or 60 or 40, you're gonna be the same as a 19-year-old and 20-year-old. You know what I say? So it just help to boost your sexual drive. And not only that, on a day-to-day basis, if you're a man who work hard, you know say you're gonna need something for just give that extra strength because you work hard. You know what I mean? I'm not talking about sex, not talking about from a healthy perspective, you want something to make you feel healthy and strong. So the pill also helps to boost that. And it also has a bottle for the ladies that we need to get them body detox. If you can't get pregnant, that can also help you. So link him up. Same Instagram handle there. So you can check him out on Instagram. It's Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. Check him out on Instagram, and here is his telephone number. Link him up, and yeah, can make some arrangement how you get him product. All right. All right. So for the persons them were there from day one, we give thanks to Uno because without Uno, we couldn't reach us. You know me I say, and for the people them where always I reach out to me and I say, "Yo, Richie, I want to send a little contribution to you. Me appreciate you. I want to make you know here and now. Me appreciate you because the thing is, sometimes financially things get rough. We can't really put no sugar coating on it. Sometimes financially things get rough, and without some of the people I believe in what we are do and say, "Yo, Richie, me go send a little thing come give you." Without that, it couldn't keep what me do going because honestly, just to depend upon whatever we get from YouTube, sometimes it can't really make ends meet. You know what I mean? And we are do it not just because we are collect money or we are get famous or whatever. We are do it because I personally love what me I do. You know, I don't know, me I do video long before YouTube. So with that said, me love what me I do. Me not do it because of money. Me I do it because I find it as a passion and something where me love do. You know me I say so me continue to do it, and with that it even give me more motivation when my son come along now and him I really do a whole heap of work. Him a edit, him a shoot, him a act, you know, him help me write, him a do everything that for help me carry on the legacy. You know what I say? So when me gone, him still there, can do it, and it can just continue to grow. So with 200,000 subscribers, the next mark is we want to reach 300, and then we reach 300, we reach 400. Cause you know what me I say, even though we say we want to go other platform, YouTube is a good place, but we don't have to go through no gatekeeping. We just do a video, post it, and it work. So with that, we always are going to do YouTube just the same. So big up to everybody, and remember we have some shirts available. If you're interested in getting shirts, link us up. We can make some arrangement, and you purchase the shirt. And we are planning to keep a little party December. So, you know, it's December yet, you know, but here what I go on now. If you love what we do and you want to see we keep the little party to celebrate the 200,000 subscribers, link me up on Instagram, Richard Brown Films, you know, send a contribution, make we can keep the party, you know, and if not even just keep the party, but we can always, well, I don't know what that part is still, but we always can not only keep the party, but what we can do is we can put a little, how should I put it? You know when you work on a company and at the end of the year then give you a bonus, we want to ensure so we can get everybody who involved in what we are doing one little extra money for sure so we appreciate them. So if you're out there and watch a video and you want to say send a contribution, send it man. We put it together and we touch everybody for the Christmas because we appreciate them and it's just love. You know what I say? As I say, sometimes it get rough, but we still are putting in the work, we still are make it happen because we love what we are doing. So big up on yourself and make sure you share the video up. Alright? Yeah man.